Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add Shibaswap to your Trust wallet. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So all you have to do is go to CoinMarketCap and search for Shibaswap, which I've already done over here. Go to contracts and check for the contact address. So this is a Ethereum based contract. I will go and copy this contract because if I directly click on this button and add to Trust wallet, it's giving me some kind of error. So no problem. You just go to Trust wallet, click on receive and paste the contact address over here and then click on this. And once you do that, Bone would be added over here. So it is this simple to add Bone Shiba Swap to your Trust wallet. And in case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.